Good morning to all. This is our day six. Yeah, we have completed our 5 days. And yes, this is our day six. If you want to talk in English, if you want to become fluent, and yes, if you are beginner, then this is the right place for you. Here we can grow together, talk together, and learn together. Okay. As I said regularly, what we are doing in our regular practice. There is three tasks. First task is a muscle training, tongue twister, so that we can pronounce any sentence very easily. After that, we can take one topic so that our mind get trained to think in English. And at last, vocabs to improve our daily routine speaking. Okay. So if you want to become confident, then just follow this regularly. Okay. Don't become so lazy. Just do it daily, consistently. Okay. So, without doing much more time pass or bakwas, let's move towards our topic. Okay. As we know that we are saying daily one line that I am improving my English every day and I am proud of myself. Say this line every day. You will become little bit confident. Okay. Yes, I started this playlist and yes, I'm doing very good thing that I know and I'm doing this regularly and I'm started to improve my English and yes, I'm proud of myself. Okay. Next, every day I speak, and my confidence and clarity improve. As we speak every day in that same language, then yes, we become confident day by day. Let's do our task. That is the warm up. Ah, Li, Wu, Yu, Pa, Ba, Ta, Da, Ka. And I just say for only 1 minute, means one time. Okay. If you want, you can say it two times also, as you wish. Let's move towards our task one. This task, you have to say it first, but say it slow, and then little fast, and then fastly. Okay. Focus on pronunciation. Okay. Confident communication comes from consistent practice. Clear control creates convincing conversation. Careful correction improves correct pronunciation. Step by step, speaking skills strengthen because continuous effort develops confident speakers. Once again, confident communication comes from consistent practice. Clear control creates convincing conversation. Careful correction improves correct pronunciation. Step by step, speaking skills strengthens because continuous efforts develops confident speakers. Okay, now last time, fast. Okay, confident communication comes from consistent practice. Clear control creates convincing conversation. Careful correction improves correct pronunciation. Step by step, speaking skills strengthen because continuous effort develops confident speakers. Okay, let's move towards our second task that is today's topic power of consistency. We regularly say one word that be consistent, do consistently, be regularly. Consistent means what? Just regularity. We have to maintain regularity. We have to inculcate regularity in us. Uh, you know that one example that is uh, every day we woke up. After that, we take our brush and we wash our teeth. Yes, this is just like our daily routine. We do this in our daily routine. So, why we can add this also? We wake up early morning. After that, we brush up, then start thinking in English and talking English. Take one topic. or any random thing, just start to talk in English. Means make it daily habit. Why we can't make? We are doing all that things because this is fast generation. Means all people are doing. So why we can not start it in our daily habit? Because habit develops confidence and confidence develop fluency. Yes, that's why we have to maintain habit there. After workout, just go brush your teeth. After that, just start to speak in English for a while. This develops confidence, yes. And yes, if we have confidence, then fluency will also come. So, as my point of view, consistency is just a regularity. It's regularity, and regularity is come from habits. We have to develop habit. We have to inculcate. We have to just focus on thinking in English, anything after waking up. If you start your morning just thinking in English, anything, then yes, it's very helpful. Day by day, you start thinking more and more, and yes, that's how our brain gets trained that how to think in English. So we regularly say that consistency, that is the consistency. Consistency is just a habit or just a regularity. So that we have to maintain it regularly so that we are habitual of that thing. Okay, that's it. And just say like that something. Okay. After that, move towards our task three, that is vocabs. If you are seeing anything in your around, then just try to speak it in English. You have vocabs. Just use these vocabs anywhere. Okay. First, read these vocabs for task three. Consistency. Doing regularly, consistency improves my English. Yes, consistency is matters. Means English is not about perfection, how perfect you are. English is just about consistency, daily practice. Daily practice becomes us confident. Yes, daily practice means like this is like the habit. Habit become confident, and yes, if you are confident, then fluency is come by product. Okay. Second, fluency, smooth speaking. I want to achieve fluency. Yes, if you want to achieve fluency, for that become confident. After that, confident fluency is come. Means first we have to become consistent. After that, confident. If you become consistent regularly, if you practice regularly, then yes, confident is comes byproduct. After that, if you are confident, then yes, fluency will come. Okay, clarity, clear understanding. Speak with clarity. Effort, hard work. Effort brings result. Discipline, self-control. Discipline creates success. Self-control means control on yourself. If you are doing regularly this practice, you feel bored. Yes. At some point you feel bored that why I'm doing this. Rather than doing all this, I will take only one topic and I will talk on that topic. Yes, you say like that, you think like that, but don't think like that. It's a consistency matters because regularity matters. If you think, if you thought that you want to just complete this playlist and you want to become fluent or confident, then just do regularly. Read regularly all this. Okay. Second, discipline, self-control. Discipline creates success. Commitment, dedication. Yes, we have committed to ourselves that we have to practice this all tasks 30 days. So, anything, if we have been committed something, then yes, there are lots of things they try to pull us from that commitment. So, it's in your control that you have to be in this journey and don't get distracted. Okay. Second, overcome, win against. I will overcome my fear. Yes, by doing these tasks and talking about some one topic, Just record your video, just take your phone, just record your video and talk in front of mirror. By doing this thing, you are become confident. You are overcome your fear. What we are doing here, yes, we are overcoming our fear while talking in English. If we can't start, if we can't do anything, then how to overcome? We can overcome our fear. Okay. Second is progress, improvement. I can see progress now. Yes, in my starting videos, I'm very murmured. I'm get murmured any sentence, but I think little bit it gets improved. Okay, so just try do this task daily. I'm saying consistently, regularly. Make it just habit that after you woke up, just brush your teeth or get freshen up. After that, just sit and do all these tasks and get your mobile phone and just record your video. Just sit in front of mobile, take one topic. If you don't know any information on that topic, then just go to ChatGPT. Just go to ChatGPT and say that I want some information. Just read that and just take your mobile and just record your video because mirror mirror recording is must. If you face yourself while talking, then yes, confident will came and you become fluent day by day. Okay, so just follow this. It will take you 5 or 10 minutes, not more than that. And as we know that we are wasting our time anywhere, anytime. 5 or 10 minutes is just a piece of time. Okay. So as you know that this is my new channel. So at last I'm saying that please like, share and comment and also subscribe it so that you can get daily video earlier. Okay. Thank you.